Hi, Santiago here. Let's learn the user interface of Grasshopper while we learn the foundations of Grasshopper. Let's do this. Okay, first of all, we need to have Grasshopper opened. We already saw that in the last video. Let's start where everything is. First is the canvas. It's the space where you place and connect the components. Then in the upper part, you will find the tabs, and the tabs are divided by category of the components. The first category you will find is params, and in params, you will find whole geometry, number, text, or booleans that are elements to be modified. Then the next tabs and the next components you will find, like math, sets, vector, curves, are processed over the params, over these elements, over a point, over a curve, a circle, a B-rib, a surface. So params are the geometry or the base to modify, and the other ones are operations to do over those params. Then let's understand how a component works. Let's have, for example, this one. To understand the component, you will find first in the left part the input, always. It is where the information is inserted, can be params or the result of another component. Then you have the output that is in the right part. It's the result of the component or the comment. With the right click, you can configure simply if you're showing or changing the name of your component. By right-clicking over the inputs, you can configure the visualization of the component, the information that it contains, and also internal comments to reorder the information that it receives. By standing the cursor over the component, you can see a short description of the component and also see a message of there is any error. You can see here we have an example of an orange component that it's telling us that they have missing data. If the component is red, the data cannot be processed by the component. So for navigation, you can use the scroller of the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. You can use the right click to pan, just as Rhino. To add a component, you can double click on the space and you can start to search for any component. And it will start to give you the list of components that are more near to that definition, and you can click in the one that you want. If you want to duplicate a component, you just click on it, drag it, and press Alt, and you will copy. You just connect by dragging from an output to an input. If you want to add multiple components, you just hold Shift. And if you want to disconnect a component, you press Ctrl. And finally, if you want to group, that is going to be really useful when you have a lot of components and a lot of other information that is being processed, to just click by Ctrl G. And that was it. We have learned how the user interface of Grasshopper works. I will see you on the next video.